Hi YouTube fam, what's going on y'all? It's your girl, Lilcutenurse, aka Raquel. How y'all been? I know y'all like, girl, where you been? I've been working, but I was off, I'm not gonna lie. I was off the last 2 days. I was just lazy. Today the third day. Y'all, I put a whole bunch of stuff, all this stuff I've been saving for an empties video. Man, this thing is full of stuff. I was gonna do the video, but I started looking in the bag like, oh my god, maybe I should pick through it. Maybe I'll do that video after this video, and then you guys just tell me if y'all want to see it. Cause this is just that bag from the last VIB sale they gave us, and I've been filling that bag up ever since, and it's a lot of stuff in there. So if y'all want to see an empties video, I would definitely do it. I'll do it. Just let me know. Like I said, maybe I'll go ahead and record. That way all I gotta do is upload it. But that's a lot of stuff in that bag. I don't know what to throw away, what to keep, or what you might want to see. I don't know. I'll pray about it while I'm doing this video. We'll figure it out. But anyway, how y'all doing? We're going to talk about this hair. I know you like, Raquel, why you buy that wig? Because, you know, the hair Vivi hair was just like this. It was better than this. And I permed it, right? I like that straight hair for the day I wore it. So I wanted to get another one. And I got to looking around online, and I found this model new Brazilian natural 100% human hair. Y'all with me now? I got in a 1B. Her name is Sweet Pea. You can perm, bleach, color, and do whatever you want to do to her. So I can bleach or bring her up, whatever. But it wasn't the color. I love 1Bs. I just don't like straight hair. But I had liked that hair Vivi unit so much, I wish I had let it stay straight. But I refused to buy another hair Vivi unit. I just absolutely refused. So when I found this unit, I think it was like 60 bucks. But search for it. Search for it. Because I was telling a friend of mine, Tracy, about it. And she went and found the darn wig. I don't know how much she said, but it made me mad. Because she didn't spend 60 for it. I don't know where she got it from. There's so many wig sites. But for this one, I want to even put a link down there. Just search for Sweet Pea by Model. Let me let y'all see that. I don't know what that is. A little sticker. Yeah. And she come in a lot of different colors. I just wanted a 1B. I don't know. I like her. I like her, but y'all know me. At the end of the day, at the end of this video, me and straight hair, I'm quit talking. This 3 minutes I done held up. Y'all, go ahead. The video coming right up, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. All right, talk to y'all later. Stay blessed. Until the next time we talk. That's at the end of the video. For real. I didn't mean to say that. I'm tripping. Because it's on my mind. I'm telling you how much I like this hair. How real and human this hair is. It feels good. It feels like natural nappy hair. But y'all know me and curly hair. I'm going to be like next week talking about, y'all know Sweet Pea I bought last week. That's some pretty hair. That hair curls so good. But I just can't do no straight hair. I'm just keeping it real. Y'all know me. I'm just saying. I'm keeping it real. But I wanted me some straight hair. So, here comes the video, y'all. Stay blessed. Okay, guys. This is what the unit looks like in the package. New Brazilian natural 100% human hair. We gonna see for $60. We're gonna see what this hair do. And I got her in the color. What color did I get? A number 1. Got her a number 1. I could have left my edges. The little bit I do got, I could have left them out. I thought for some reason I had got a 1B, but I see I was wrong. Okay, I'm gonna cut this hang tag out because I don't want to be, you know, going through this whole video running my mouth with a piece of string coming from the side of my neck, face, or like my necklace. When I watched the video back, I don't know, I guess I didn't see it edited. My necklace was jacked up like I'm about to choke to death. Y'all didn't even say a word. See, that's what I'm talking about, real kind of love. Okay, y'all, let me show you. Let me show you what we got in here. We got 2 combs. Both of these are way over here at the temple. And then we got a comb in the back. And y'all, this parting paste, ooh, this parting though. Y'all see that? Put my hand under there. That is tight. They did that? Okay. A very blunt cut. Yeah, I don't know. Long as I ain't got to curl his hair, I'm gonna love it. I am gonna really love it. Let me get this lace cut off. It's just a little lace, but the only parting space, if you can see on the inside of the cap, is right down the middle. So let me get this lace cut off and I'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, I'm back. I've gotten the lace cut off, and I don't know if I said it or not. I hope that video was recording. I just hope it was. But anyway, I don't know if I said it or not. This is the really soft lace. Really soft. And yeah, I mean, she just looks like she's gonna be a really cute, natural, I don't know, kind of girl. But okay, let's see what she do. Now, I usually use concealer, but since this part is so, that's a nice part, I grabbed 2 powders. I got my NC50 MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I've got my Makeup Forever setting powder. I don't know which one. I'm gonna go with the lighter one first. I'm just gonna put some on the part, because this is a pretty good part. I mean, no tweezing. I haven't done anything to it. I'm just gonna go with the powder instead of the concealer, because I don't see where I need to use concealer today. My foundation today is a little light. I use that Joy Essentials. I'm not sure what shade in. I got it a few months ago. Y'all probably remember that. But anyway, if that's too light, then I'm just gonna go back in. Can y'all see it? Well, you can really see that part now. I put that powder in there. Yeah, let's see what she's looking like, y'all. Oh, she got 2 adjustable straps in the back too, if I didn't say that. Now if she get on here and she just sit on my head and be still and don't be jacked up in the back, yeah, these other 10 wigs I got over, okay, they 10, I got about 5 5 wigs. We're gonna be real slow to review, and she just sitting there. Yes, yes. Okay, I really didn't need that light cap. I don't know, y'all. I think that's a little light. I think I'm gonna go back and put this NC50 on top of that, because that's a little light for my scalp. I need to bring a little bit of that red back. Yeah, that's better. Parts still look good. I was just too dark for that. This wig is really light. I got my curling irons already heated up because I thought she wasn't going to sit down. And y'all know I like curling on her. I just thought she wasn't going to lay down right. And I'm finna to get ready to go to the Wally World. And I can't be up in the Wally World, you know, looking all busted and disgusted. You end up on Facebook in Wally World looking like that. I'm just saying, you don't do that. And people still be doing that. That's crazy. Man, be up in Walmart in their pajamas and house shoes. Now, I done it, but I don't do it no more. It's somebody out there that's just waiting to see you and post your picture looking all busted, disgusted, bothered, not unbothered, bothered. Don't do that shit. No stuff. Don't do that. If you gonna look good going, and I just gotta see how this hair curl. Since I got these high curlers, and y'all know I don't curl no hair, so don't expect too much. I know I got, you know, the Arthur from using them Marcel lines. Okay, Lord, please don't give me the Arthur. I just don't like using curl lines no more. For you, and then the little protector gonna pop off and burn my thumb up. Ain't that something? The thing fell off, y'all. We ain't finna curl no hair. It just fell off. That tell you how often I use these. I wonder could I go with a side part if I switched it over. Oh yeah, just give you a high-low. I don't really like that high-low. I like it, and I hate a middle part. I don't hate it. I just don't usually wear them. I just like her better. Right there. Now I gotta try to find a way to run these curlers down the side over here, because I did it over there. This some really good feeling. Ouch. Ooh, this thing hot, y'all. Jesus, take the wheel. This some good feeling nappy hair. That's what I was finna say. Ooh, that thing hot. I don't even want to touch it. Ooh. I should have left it alone. Now I got bumps in it. I got some more curls over there, y'all, but I ain't finna wait. I'm about to hit myself in the face. Wait for them to heat up. I ain't finna wait for them curls to heat up. I shouldn't have did that. Now this hair is super straight. Now I won't have to go all the way around it. But you know what I am gonna do? I'm gonna let y'all finish seeing this hair. Then I'm gonna put her on Sally Mae right here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go around it. Not with, I guess I can pick that thing up and put it back on there and tape it. Let me let y'all see the back while I'm running my mouth. Is she flowing, y'all? I can't see. Oh, she look good in this mirror back here. She look like some natural hair. Am I tripping? I mean, she really look good. She looks good. Okay, guys. These videos don't have to be long. I just talk a lot. So we're going to end this video right here. And I just want to... I like this. I got a plait right there. I got two plaits. One right there and one right there. And they sticking up. So I'm going to have to take them plaits down and make some twists. Or either do some braid. What's the different braid? Cornrows? Cornrows is the fancy way to say braid, right? Okay, I don't got no cornrows. I got twists. Little plaits, to be honest. Little bitty plaits. I got one right here, one right here. But hey, this wig did good up under them plaits. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna quit talking. I really like it. No, I'll be playing on her like that. Okay, again, y'all, this is new Brazilian natural 100% human hair premium lace front, Miss Sweet Pea. Yes. Pose for the camera. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, God. I gotta work all weekend. I know y'all like, where the hell you been? Hair in my mouth. I've been working. But we're gonna get some videos in here. I got a whole box. It's about 6-7 wigs in there for summer, you know, that we got to rock. And I got to show you guys. They just came out. They new. Y'all know I usually try to buy cheap wigs that's been out, but I bought a whole bunch of new wigs. So we got to do them videos so y'all can get them for the spring and stuff come on and be fly with your girl. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.